This is a simple fix to stop the hissing in the background. So we got to find the perfect blend between the microphone settings, audio settings, and the camera audio settings to stop the hissing. So I purposely left my settings the way I used to have it for the purpose of this video so we can go step by step together to fix this issue. My kids are playing upstairs, so you may get a little of that, but I'm gonna be quiet so you can see exactly what I'm talking about when it comes to the hissing sound. All right, so let's go ahead and fix the issue here. So I'm using my cell phone so you can see everything I'm saying here. You don't need to see my dirty kitchen though. So I had the gain on the microphone itself switched to -10. So I'm gonna switch that to +20. It doesn't matter which camera you have, whichever camera you have, Sony, Canon, whatever, you should have an audio record setting, or in my case, record level. But once you get to that setting, we have to drop this down to like the last 4 to 5 notches. All right. So this is the final result here. Got a random stand here. But this is what it sounds like once we change the microphone volume setting to +20 decibels and decrease the volume within the audio setting in the camera. So again, I'm gonna pause this time to see if you hear the hiss. The only con I'll say you have from this is you get more background noise. Like I'm sure you can hear like machinery, like refrigerators back there. You can hear the AC unit right above us, maybe. But that's the only con. But the pro is when you go into your editing program, you don't have to change much. Like that was my issue. I used to always put my audio volume way low in hope of getting rid of all the background noise. But that only just caused hissing. But that's all I got for y'all, man. If this helped you out, leave a comment, let everybody know that this is helpful so this can help somebody else, because I was thinking about I need to buy a more expensive microphone, but nah, that's not the case. All right, that's all I got. Much love to each and every one of you guys. I'm your downloading pirate, and I'm out now.